right, well, that takes us right into our final two presentations. We'll bring up our next speaker.
Yes, next speaker is Lane Smith, CEO of Digital Maturity Group. Lane is currently the CEO of Digital Maturity Group, an organization that assists IT entrepreneurs in achieving high-value business partnerships through digital transformation. Before this role, Lane served as Vice President of Member Advancement at TAG National, a business consulting firm specializing in small technology sector businesses, where he worked closely with members to enhance profitability, drive sales, develop go-to-market strategies, and improve operational efficiencies. Take it away, Lane.
All right, thanks very much. So I'm Lane with Digital Maturity Group, and actually going to build a bit on what Chris Weiser and Chris Black had talked about with the commoditization of the MSP space. So we're here to talk about the power of digital transformation and why you need to get into the game or miss out, right? So as we get into this, I've got a few questions I want to ask you, or want you to ask yourself, I guess. First off, do your customers see you as a vendor rather than a strategic business partner? Second, are you still giving away free technology assessments? And finally, are you billing less than $300 an hour for your consulting work? So if you answered yes to any of those questions, it's time to look at becoming a digital advisor or adding digital advisory services to your solution stack. And so just what the heck is a digital advisor? Well, digital advisors are really true strategic partners for their clients. And what I'm talking about here is they're not the last person to find out about those technology decisions, right? They're the first person to find out. In fact, when the CEO is ready to solve a problem in their business, they're talking with these digital advisors and saying, how can we solve this problem through the use of technology? And I'm not talking just infrastructure or cybersecurity. We're talking, marketing automation, CRM, e-commerce, point of sale systems, any technology that business needs to help them grow their business. That's what a digital advisor is going to help them with. So ultimately, digital advisors are experts in digital transformation and adoption strategies for their clients. So what is digital transformation? So ultimately, digital transformation is the integration of different digital solutions throughout a company that's going to help them drastically change the way they're doing business. It's going to help them, increase their profits, increase their revenues, better customer experience, increase collaboration or productivity, whatever that might be. Basically, what we're doing is we're taking a business that's running just fine, but isn't taking their business to the next level. We're understanding all of their challenges, and then we're mapping those challenges to digital solutions that can help them differentiate and grow that business. All right, so Digital Maturity Group, we help you become a digital advisor. We do that through our proven framework. We've got a training and certification program and a really large community, and also industry leading software. And so let's take a look at some of those here. So this is a very high level view of our framework. I like to call this a journey for our clients of confusion to clarity. Basically, when we start working with them, they have no idea what technology they have. They have no idea what technologies can change their business. And by the time you're done, they've got a clear vision, a clear strategy, and clearly identified digital solutions that they'll implement with you or with other providers. Either way, you're going to sit in the driver's seat and help them along that way. We start this with a business improvement review. And what this business improvement review is for, it's really designed to help you change the narrative, right? We want you to start your conversation with all of your prospects from a business perspective. Show them that you can help them improve their business. You're going to differentiate yourself from other MSPs that are just talking tech, right? Once you get past that business improvement review, that's always going to translate into a different type of assessment, a paid assessment, right? So let's say the customer's IT is a disaster. Hey, you're going to go in and you're going to charge them for a technology assessment, which is what you guys are already doing. If everything looks great on their technology and they're happy with their existing MSP, fantastic. You can come in, do a digital assessment, which sort of sits above where their MSP is at, get in the door. You don't have to even replace that MSP and you've got a new customer. From that point, that assessment takes a look at all of their gaps. We look at their entire business as a whole, identify their challenges. We move into the strategy planning after that, where we'll actually create a vision statement for how they're going to change their business, leveraging these technologies. And then finally, detail all these different digital solutions where we're going to understand, who's involved, what are the requirements, what are their benefits of it, what's their ROI, cost estimates, all the details they need to take these digital plans to the vendors and have the vendors help them implement these solutions. This is a quick snapshot of our model. We look at people, process, platforms, risk, information, applications. If they've got a strategy, we'll look at that too. But the idea here is you're going to create a strategy for them. You're going to engage with them on a recurring basis and continually map through that digital strategy every quarter, every 6 months, every year, whatever that might be. So our training, certification, and community, we've got a 7-day jumpstart training program. The idea here is to spend 7 days and we'll have you on board, ready to roll, start supporting your customers. We have multiple levels of certification. And then really importantly, we've got this peer community. And you'll notice at the bottom down here, diverse backgrounds. So our digital advisors are IT providers, marketing providers, finance, HR, business consultants, not just MSPs. All of these folks are competing for your business in that SMB space. Mentioned our software. We're about out of time here. So just a quick brief of the software. We've got everything from that framework is all built out in the software. We've got an AI-driven engine to help you develop and write all the content that you need for these strategies. And, everything from that pre-sales engagement to the full transformation roadmap. Now, the final question I get from everybody is, but, we know technology. Can we really do this? The answer is absolutely yes. So Melanie's a great example. Past year, she's done 160 plans, generated over $2.5 million in consulting revenue, not to mention the fact she's got 160 new customers. Melanie's got less than a dozen employees, right? And by the way, she's not an IT provider. She's a digital marketing provider, competing again in your market.
All right, Lane.
That's it.
Yeah, perfect there. There you go. I'll let you wrap up right here.
All right. Yeah, that's it. Obviously, join our breakout afterwards. You can book a call with me. We've also got a ebook that we wrote for the SMEs, not for you, but basically to show them how to grow their business through digital transformation. It's a great tool for you as well. Thanks very much.